Hi, my name is Lillian Berger. I'm from a suburb of the Philadelphia area, Pennsylvania. Up to this point in my life cycle, I have run and operated a couple in-home daycares for early childhood. Um, I then went on to be a professional nanny in different situations. Um, I am right now working in a special situation where mom has a diagnosis of cancer, and the family is not certain that she's going to survive. She's on her second round of chemo. So I'm having to use a lot of my knowledge that I gained through my early childhood ed degree as well as my psychology degree um, in helping this family navigate through this difficult time. My uh, desire to achieve the master's in social work came when I realized that I wanted to be a bigger part of early childhood trauma and to be able to um, have a better handle on how to handle each of these situations that I could get into. So that's what brought me to getting the master's. Um, I look forward to meeting other classmates and you, Professor, and navigating through this class.